Looking at question number 2, as a former 7th grade teacher, I would want to first be aware of the student's developmental background in other school situations. I would check with the special education teachers and others who have been assisting the student in their developmental process. I would then look for factors that seem to deviate from the norm for that particular student. Is the student being unusually distracted? Is the student often off task? Is there a different behavior pattern developing that is detrimental to the student's learning process? Is the student not wanting to stay in the classroom or even not wanting to come to school at all? Again, as in question number 1, a teacher's classroom management skills are essential in recognizing a student's overall educational achievement and the student's personal development. Question number 1 on least restrictive environment, or it was called when I was still teaching 7th grade Texas history, inclusion, is one that could be debated at length. To be a success for any student with learning disabilities, the teacher involved must have good classroom management skills so that the environment in the room is conducive to learning. At the 7th grade level, most classes have from 25 to 30 students, and this makes it much more difficult to oversee each student's needs individually. Lessons can be altered to the correct learning level for the students, but general discussions are sometimes difficult for students with severe learning disabilities to keep up with or to participate in successfully. Students with severe learning or behavior difficulties can be a severe disruption to the classroom environment, and they can impede the success of other students in the room. Inclusion is a very good experience for many of the inclusion students in that they learn to work with other students academically and to interact socially with their peers. Inclusion is being implemented successfully in classrooms in school districts throughout the United States by teachers at all grade levels. But the success of inclusion for students still depends on the teacher's classroom management skills.